B-boy, hit the flow with it. Up in Jamaica, let me see your heel toe with it. Clown and crump with it. A-town stuck with it. At the set, juggalettes make they double D's jump to this.
Kill me. Screw that noise. How you doing? I don't know why I have this hat on. I look like... Top of the morning, you ladies! My name is Jacksepticeye! We're gonna play some kind of game that I found. Let's hope we both enjoy it. And it is called...
YOLO Animals.
Yeah. So, let's get into it. Arrows move, Z to jump, X to fire. What is that? Oh god! Oh. Mouse is irrelevant, I guess. Oh shit! How you doing? Can I kiss you?
You look pretty good.
Oh shit! This is... I don't know what this is. What the f- Bruh. YOLO Meadow. Nice. Begs it. Ooh, food. Is that a black cock? That's not funny. Hey, moves. Woo! You know it's not a gaming commentary video unless they're screaming in it. Did it work? Oh. Your own nuclear blast has just hit you. Why am I in space? Space! Eat something. Oh shit! Okay, one more go. So the objective is to eat food, collect power-ups, and the rest is beyond me. Hamburger, croissant, cupcake, all the food, rice ball.
Welcome to the rice fields, motherfucker!
Ah, God. Okay, I'm done. Oh shit! Yeah, that was YOLO Animals, I guess. Link in the description if you would like to play this on your shitty mom computer. Never change your personality. I mean, unless you're a piece of shit. Fedora shit.
Guys, we're at school. I'm gonna be vlogging at lunch, because right now I'm gonna go in the classroom. My teacher's gonna be like, what are you doing? Okay, be sure to subscribe, like, and comment on what I should do in other videos. So
We on some other shit. We on some other shit. You see how the club get? We on some other shit. We on some other.